To adjust the top unit, you have up and down movement as well as left to right movement. To adjust that, loosen the set screw and then turn the unit up and down with a 5mm Allen. To adjust the unit left to right, loosen the 2 screws on either side of the adjustment. While pushing up and turning the adjustment, we'll move the unit left to right. Once you have the unit positioned correctly, tighten the screws. Then recheck your reveal. To adjust the bottom pivot, you'll loosen these 2 screws. When you loosen the second screw, the unit will be free to move left or right. You'll adjust the middle screw with a 5mm Allen key to make the unit move. Then retighten the screws while holding the unit in position. Recheck your reveal for adjustment. On this unit, you have an intermediate and an end adjustment as well for vertical height. Loosening the set screw and tightening or loosening the screw in the hinge will raise the unit up and down. Repeat this process for both reveals. Once our unit's adjusted, we should have between a 1/2 inch and 9/16 of reveal between our frame and jamb. The shim should fit snugly under the gasket base with not much vertical wiggle.